Welcome to Boundary 4, located 2502 50th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color is Avalanche, and under the hood being a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic head lamps as well as fog lamps, and an engine block heater, and over to the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels from Hankook tires as well as color match handles and black mirror caps. This 2023 F-150 also comes with a remote start as well as a remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly featuring power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings on store storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black colored seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our crucial options on the left, and our median half-tree options on the left, which is above being our review mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking over our center face, see options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, favorites, apps, settings, and features, which is below being climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating to our cabin. Alongside that, you have heated seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2023 Ford Lariat, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in the store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.